Section 1.2, functions, day 4. Here we want to use a graphing calculator to find the domain and range of a function. So we have f of x equals 9 minus x squared. If we put this into our graphing calculator, we should see a graph that looks like this. This tells us that the domain of this function is from -3 to +3, where the -3 and 3 are included in the domain. For our range, we're going to have 0 to +3. So we have these points on the graph of -3, 0, which is included, +3, 0, and this highest point of 0, 3, which is included. So if we look at our x's, we run from -3 to +3, and if we look at our y's, we run from 0 to +3. For example B, we have the absolute value of x. That's a V-shaped graph. So our domain here will be from -infinity to +infinity, and our range will be from 0 to infinity. And for f of x equals x squared minus 9, we have a graph looks like this. So our domain will be from -infinity to -3 in union with 3 to +infinity. And our range will run from 0 to infinity. You can use your table feature in your calculator, your graphing calculator, to verify the values in the table are included in the graph. Here we want to evaluate a difference quotient. So we have f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 7. And we want to find f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So we'll start by substituting f of x plus h. So we're going to have x plus h squared minus 4 times x plus h plus 7 minus the f of x function, which is x squared minus 4x plus 7, all over h. We'll FOIL x plus h squared, and we'll distribute -4x minus 4h plus 7 minus x squared plus 4x minus 7 all over h. This gives me x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. -4x and +4x will cancel those. +7 and -7 will cancel those. Then we'll have minus 4h minus x squared all over h. So here we're going to cancel x squared and -x squared, and that's going to leave us with 2xh plus h squared minus 4h all over h. We'll factor out an h in our numerator, so I'll have h times 2x plus h minus 4 over h. We'll cancel out these h's, and that'll leave us with a final answer of 2x plus h minus 4. Okay, and here we have f of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 9, and we want to find f of 4 plus h minus f of 4 divided by h. So we'll start by substituting 4 plus h into our function minus subtracting f of 4, so we'll substitute 4. And then we have 4 plus h times 4 plus h minus 8 minus 2h plus 9 minus 16 minus 8 plus 9 all over h. We'll factor, we have 16 plus 8h plus h squared minus 8 minus 2h plus 9 minus 17 all over h. So we'll look to combine like terms. This will give us h squared. And then we have 8h minus 2h, which is 6h. And then we have 16 minus 8, which is 8, plus 9, which is 17, minus 17, which is 0, all over h. We'll factor out an h. And then we will cancel. And we'll be left with h plus 6.